Hello people, you are welcome to Inside of My Screen and thank you for joining me. I am back like I used to. Every week I come right here to predict and analyze the forex market, where it's going and where it's likely to go, if there is any level that might be holding the flow of the trend. So right here, without wasting much time, let's dive into the chart. Now, before I proceed with the chart analysis, if you haven't subscribed to this page, to this channel, please smash that subscribe button right there. Smash that follow button right there. This helps me to go. This helps my channel to go and page to go. Please do that. You have 5 seconds to do that. You have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's proceed with the chart analysis. Now right here on EURUSD right here. Now with this immediate trend right now, it is clear that that EURUSD is bullish to the upside right here. And also, if I look at the previous price action, we can see that price action give us a retracement right here. We have the first touch point, we have the second touch point, we have the third, we have the fourth. It was upon the fifth attempt price was able to break and close above it. It did not only break out alone, it break out, came back to retest it and push up again. Now we expect price to continue elevating to the upside, but what the market still push back down again to ensure to test to retest it properly right here. And also, why that happened right here, price formed a trend reversal. It formed a continuation trend reversal, which we know as the inverse head and shoulder. We have the left shoulder right here, we have the head, and we have the right shoulder right here. We have the left shoulder, we have the head, and we also have the right shoulder present right here. And ever since the EURUSD has been elevating to the upside. Now right here on my last video on EURUSD, I predicted EURUSD to elevate to the upside right here. Now somewhere around here, I predicted price action to come and consolidate somewhere around here, but unfortunately that did not happen right here. The consolidation that I predicted right here, it now happened right here. This was the pullback right like so. This was the pullback this was the pullback that was supposed to happen here. Price pushed to the price pushed to this up to this side right here, and it will twist right here. So so this is looking like price might come to test this trend line again. We have the first touch point of the trend line, we have the second touch point. Price might come right here to test this trend line for the third attempt, and hopefully if price can hold on that level right here, we should see the EURUSD breaking out from this counter trend line, from this retracement trend line right here, to continue to fire up right here to test this resistance level again. And also, if you look at the left hand side, you can see that price action reacted here in the past before price pushed back down. It pushed back down to the downside right here. Price is coming right here. Hopefully, price is coming right here in the future. You don't know what is going to happen in the future. So so the EURUSD is coming right here to attempt this resistance level again. And also if the EURUSD can sustain above this level right here, can break out from this level right here, we should see the EURUSD coming to this potential level of resistance right here in the future. But for now we are consigned at this level right here. This is a retracement. We have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low right here. This is a retracement. Hopefully price action should hold right here for this for the third touch of this trend line right here. If it should bounce right here, we should see the EURUSD elevating to the upside right here to attempt this resistance level right here. If price action should break out from here, if price action should break out, if price action should break out from this counter trend line, we should see the Euro USD pushing up again. We should see the Euro USD pushing up to attempt this resistance level for the final leg right here. But if price action should break out from this trend line, right, from this trend line right here, Euro USD will come right here to test this trend line again. Now right here, now if you look at this trend line right here, we can see that it has the first touch point, we have the second touch point. So third touch point, if it should break out from this level right here, it's coming right here to attempt it for the third attempt before pushing up. But for now, I hope the Euro USD price action to I hope the Euro USD price should hold on this around this level right here to continue elevating to the upside. If we can see 4-hour candle break and close above this counter line, the Euro USD we fired up right here to attempt this resistance level. Okay, so now let's quickly look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see that nothing much on daily time frame. Right here we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low. This is a retracement against this main move. We have a retracement against this main move. We have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low. So like I've said earlier, hopefully if we can see candlestick break and close above this candle trend line, then the Euro USD will fired up for the final leg again to attempt this resistance level again. So right now, hopefully when the market open, we should see the Euro USD sustain around this level right here and push to the upside right here. So that is that on Euro USD right here. So that is that on Euro USD. So now let's quickly look at the GBP USD. Now both the GBP USD is in a range right here. As you can see, price was consolidating around here for the whole week right here. Price consolidate in a range on GBP USD was in a consolidation range, was in a consolidation period for the whole market to right here. It was just pushing up, pushing back down, pushing up, pushing back down, could not break below this support level. Could not break out from this support level right here and could not break above this for example level right here. It was in a nasty range right here. So like I've said, GBP USD to the upside. I've been predicting that to the upside right here. We have the pullback on GBP USD. We have the first pullback. We have the second pullback right here, and also right here, when price action created this liquidity right here, price came down, it swept this liquidity, and we are supposed to continue to go to the upside. But instead of that to happen, GBP USD entered inside a range. As you can see, this is nothing but a clear range. This is nothing but a clear range on GBP USD. Price was pushing up, push back down, push up, push back down, push up, push back down. So for now, we just have to sit on our hands to see what GBP USD is likely to do next. But hopefully we should see GBP USD price action. We should see GBP USD price break out from this range right here and continue to elevate to the upside. So let me look at the daily time frame. Let me see how the daily time frame is doing. So right here, this was a sell-off right here. Price came, it broke out, a higher high low, and also even on the daily time frame, it's also confirmed that even on the daily time frame, we have cluster of candle still printing and closing in a vertical line right here. So we have a high, we have a low. As you can see, even on the daily time frame, GBP USD is also in a range as well. So for now, we just have to sit on our hands to see to wait until when GBP USD decided on what it wants to do. Next, we just have to sit on our hands and watch out for GBPUSD on what it wants to do right here. So like I've said, I'm bullish on GBPUSD right here. GBPUSD should continue to the upside. We have the first touch point, we have the second touch point. Price should price came right here for the third touch point, which GBPUSD was expected to continue going to the upside. But instead it entered inside the range, and that range lasted for the whole week. So that is that on GBPUSD. So if you found this video helpful, please smash that subscribe button right there. It helps me to grow. It also helps my YouTube channel. It also helps my channel and page to grow. Please, thank you as you do so. So see you in the next one. Bye for now.